right, look at that. Behind me is the workbook, and I don't really know where the helper is, but I can help you. Oh, okay. All right, thank you, and let's start workbook.
Hello everybody, today we are doing pages 66 and 67 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and this is the Let's Learn section for Unit 8. In the first part here, we have some singular animals on one side, and we want to match them to their plural partners on the other side. And in the student books, this looked like this.
A cat. Cats.
A dog. Dogs. A bird. Birds. A rabbit. Rabbits.
A frog.
Frogs.
Great, let's start. This is all frog because it's one frog, all frog. And if I make it more than one, then it becomes frogs. F-R-O-G-S. More than one. Next, this is one bird, so I'm going to write all bird. All bird. Any one bird. And that matches to these guys, which are birds. More than one bird. And here we have all dog, so any one dog. And on the other side, we'll match it to these cute guys. Dogs. D-O-G-S. More than one dog. Here is all rabbit. It's one rabbit. And it matches up to here. And these are rabbits. More than one rabbit. All right. And we just finished part A. Okay, let's do part B. Part B just says write. And in this case, we're going to make sentences using the pattern I like oops. And the student books, the pattern just looked like this. Good. And the big thing to remember here is that whatever we put on the end, I like, we're going to add an S to it to make it more than one. So we can't say I like dog. We have to say I like dogs, because I like all of this thing. If I write I like rabbits, I don't just like rabbits in Korea or in India. I like rabbits in America and Myanmar and Canada. I like rabbits everywhere. I like every rabbit. So put an S on the end of each of them. Let's do it. Number one, I like rabbits. I like rabbits. Number two, frogs. I like frogs. F-R-O-G-S. Number three, turtles. I like turtles. T-U-R-T-L-E-S. I like turtles. Number four, dogs. I like dogs. D-O-G-S. Number five, birds. I like birds. B-I-R-D-S. And number six, cats. I like cats. C-A-T-S. There we go. We're all done part B. Now let's move on and do part C. Okay, this is part C. It just says write and circle, and this time we have to make the questions. And then we're going to circle the right answer after we look at the pictures. So this question and answer pattern looked like this. Let's write some questions. Number one, what do you like? I like frogs. Number two, the same question. What do you like? I like birds or rabbits? Rabbits. Number 3, same question. What do you like? I like turtles or I like rabbits? Turtles. I like turtles. All right, part C is done. This is part D. We're doing the same thing again with the question on the top and the answer on the bottom. Let's trace first. What do you like? I like, and these are frogs, so she's going to say, I like frogs. F-R-O-G-S. And the next one, what do you like? What do you like? I like cats. C-A-T-S. I like cats. Part D is done, and that means that our workbook for today is done.